Here we got a Honda EU2200, I guess. I don't know. This thing was left out in the rain, so I'm hoping it's not too bad. This thing is locked up, so that's just great. We're off to a good start already. We got rust. Looks like just my kind of piece of crap. That is just great. Covered in dirt everywhere you look. And it's locked up. Oh yeah, baby. What the heck is going on in here? This just gets better and better every time I take something apart. It's not looking good for the home crowd here. Why is it still stuck? Oh, because the wires are still stuck. Oh, and everything is covered in corrosion. What happened to this? Everything's all corroded. What the heck? This thing get flooded? Get bit by a black widow. Look at this. The only, and I mean the only reason I am continuing to work on this is to prove everybody says nothing runs like a Honda. Well, how about one that is corroded, filled with mud, an ecosystem, broken plastics, little spideys. How about that? I haven't even checked the oil yet. Should probably do that. Oh yeah, look at that water, baby. Hey, air filter looks nice. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. This thing is just about toast. There's no way this thing's running. Oh yeah, look at that carburetor. Yeah, baby. Hold on, it gets better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right, my hopes of getting this thing running are coming to an end here. Oh, hold on. Okay, we're not completely gone here. Okay, bye-bye. What can we take off next? This cover. Oh, it's not. Alright. So this is what powers your little inverter. Freaking lawnmower engine. This thing's tiny. Alright. Honestly, not as bad as I thought, but still pretty rough. So this thing's toast. It's really rusty where the piston goes, but yeah, that's why when you go and flip these things, I usually don't get these things if you can't pull the handle. It's a mess. Look at this. Look at all the crap that came off of it. The good news is I got a bunch of screws, baby, for free that I can use on future Honda one. The carburetor is beyond toast, and I bet this panel still works. There's nothing wrong with it unless it got soaked with water. The fuel tank I can use. Other than that, the plastic's junk. Everything else is junk. So yeah. On the flip side, this one needs carburetor. We're getting that. So the boat's looking good. It's got new flooring. Nice and rock solid. Not gonna fall through it like the old stuff. And we have a clean floor. I did fiberglass over this to seal it. Aluminum is stripped to bare. We are very slowly but surely getting this done. I got this guy this weekend for $100. And guess what? All it had was bad gas. All I did was drain the gas, put fresh in. So the whole reason I showed you guys this is just to be careful, and that's it. So we're done with that. Enough side projects. We need to get back to work on on the Spectrum, baby.